You want it that side? I'll let you have that side. Now my thought was...
Gotta pull that back up.
And see what you think about it.
Can't tell if it's...
If we could get the boat on the trailer so it's kind of steadier.
Yeah.
And then put the boom down. What do you
All right.
think?
Well, I want to do it so that we're not...
That we can float it on.
I'd rather have it out of the water before we take the mast down.
Well, I mean, yeah, like if we're, yeah. So
You're talking about the
steady.
boom or the mast?
I'm talking about the boom that once we float it onto the trailer and it's kind of steady, maybe pull it out a little, yeah, then do that.